my waistline, hustling every day. I be working overtime.
Welcome back to another video here on the Nothin Dirt YouTube channel. We are, as you heard in the last video, we're not going to make it to Friendship just because we're going to take this car here to Barry Wright and we're going to have it going through. I know there's a few things off on this car, and just to kind of give some backstory about this car, the last place it ran before I got my hands on it was at the Dome in St. Louis. So there's a good chance that I could have something bent somewhere that I can't tell by the naked eye, or they got so much different of a setup under it for, you know, going out there on that little go-kart track, basically. So we're going to take this thing up there and see if we can find anything and have Lance, which is Barry's son, dial this thing in and get it better. So when we show up to a racetrack, we're ready to go and we're not chasing our tails all night, and then all of a sudden in the feature, we're, you know, able to make laps at speed. Because down at Scrubbin, we struggled shoving the nose. And this car was also put together or it was built as a supercar, so that might have something to do with, you know, the way things are slugged as far as the 4-link brackets. There's just no telling what they do different for the crate cars compared to a super. Basically, a super motor makes 3 times as much horsepower, maybe twice as much horsepower. I might be giving a little bit of credit right there, but they make a lot more horsepower than this little 602 does. So we're going to take it up there, get it looked at, have it going through, make sure everything's good, and see if we can't find the issue. Hopefully, I'll be able to bring you guys along with that. I'm going to take it up there in 2 weeks from this past Monday. I don't remember the date, but I got it marked in my calendar. So we're going to take it up there, leave it with him, and I believe later in that week or maybe the week after, we're going to go up there and we're going to actually go through the car with him, and hopefully he doesn't mind and we can do some videoing. But right now we're going to strip this car down, get the body and the deck off of it, and that way it's just a lot easier for us to go up there and work on it, and I can clean it up real good, and might even throw some touch-up paint on the chassis just to make it look like we care. Obviously, we care about our race cars around here, but it might not look like it. This thing's rough, it's been raced, but if everybody knows, everyone that knows me knows I don't like dirty race cars, I don't like working on dirty race cars, so we usually spend about 3-4 hours every Sunday or Monday washing the crap out of these things. So it looks like that's what I'll be doing this weekend. As you can tell, scrubbing was hammered down all weekend, and I think that had a lot to do with the weather they had earlier in the week last week. But we're going to get this thing ready to take up there to Barry Wright, and hopefully it'll come back a new race car. And when we get it back, we'll start putting the deck in it and then hanging the body on it. And of course, y'all be coming with us for that too. So let's strip this thing down real quick. To see, it doesn't take very long to get the front ends off one of these cars. I am going to go ahead and replace that bumper because it'd been used up pretty good. And yeah, we'll have a spare bumper, and we're going to start getting these sides off right quick. we got the sides off of her. Kind of really regretting not washing this thing up before I started, but I'll be able to get a real good deep clean once I get the body off of it. Taylor's doing some designs out here. Got a little brew dog wherever he is. But we're gonna start on working on getting this deck out of this thing and pulling the roof off, and then she'll be ready for a bath. So we went ahead, got this car stripped. I'm not gonna bore y'all with washing it. Next stop for this old girl, on February 23rd, we're gonna be taking this thing up there to Barry Wright Race Cars, and Lance is actually gonna go through this car 100% top to bottom. See if we find any problems. Hopefully we don't, but I also hope we do find something off so we can get this car where it needs to be, so it's a little bit more consistent, and you know, we can narrow our adjustments down at the track, you know, instead of feeling like we gotta throw the kitchen sink at this car every time we put it on a racetrack. Appreciate all you guys watching. Just a short video on this Monday, but we were gonna be back on the stock V8 car for Lakeview here shortly. Got to get that body done, and once the body gets done on that car, a lot of my stress is going to be off my plate. But anyhow, appreciate all you guys watching. Make sure you drop down, like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. We got some pretty good content coming y'all's way, so keep following along. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.